Not wait for him. He's already in suspension. Mission Makinde will be expelled. Let him be reminded that my name is Fayose, and I'm saying this publicly here and again with the ongoing issue to lose that election in the state. So this convention is open for the benefit of sincere PDP members, and this party has a leadership, and our national leader is Mgbeke, and we are all celebrating the struggle, and thanking God for his life.
All right, sir.
In the course of the fight and the issues, before it was resolved in favor of this faction, the party was in turmoil. But now, if you see everybody coming on board, shows that people are happy. People want to play the politics. They want to belong to this party, and they are most welcoming. The party is most welcoming.
Thank you so much.